In mutual fund investing, a systematic investment plan is an alternative to lump sum investment. Not all can invest in mutual fund a lump sum or an aggregate amount, so SIP or installment payment is a popular choice. SIP investment allows investors to invest a fixed sum on a monthly basis. Start Rs 1000 monthly SIP. Grow your corpus to Rs 3.5 crore at retirement. Know how? Albert Einstein called compounding the eighth wonder of this world. How apt his observation was has been proved over the years by many investors who have shown that if money is invested and given time to grow, one can amass enormous wealth. In mutual fund investing, a systematic investment plan is an alternative to lump sum investment. Not all can invest in mutual fund a lump sum or an aggregate amount, so SIP or installment payment is a popular choice. SIP investment allows investors to invest a fixed sum on a monthly basis. One can start and SIP with an amount as low as 100 per month. Mutual fund SIP calculator. Suppose you start a job at the age of 20 with a monthly meager salary of 10,000 and are living with your parents, thus avoiding expenses on house rent, which can save a significant amount of money, especially if you live in a city. Mutual fund SIPs offer an opportunity to invest even with such a low salary. You just need to follow a 50/20ths, 20/10ths formula. Using this formula, allocate 50% of your salary to regular expenditures or essential needs, reserve 20% for leisure activities like shopping and entertainment, set aside another 20% to save and invest for better returns to achieve larger goals such as purchasing a new car or property. Finally, the remaining 10% can be used to start a mutual fund SIP. Consider this calculation. Suppose you invest 1,000 or 10% of your salary in a mutual fund SIP and receive a return of 12%, which is a moderate return based on mutual fund performance in the equity segment over the last decade. By the time you reach your retirement age at 60 years, you could become a crorepati. The 1,000 SIP at the rate of return of 15% can take you to rupees lakhs. This is the power of compounding. Now, if you increase your SIP amount by 10% every year, since your income will also grow with each passing year, this SIP over the 40 years can make a corpus of rupees 3.5 crore. There are many good mutual funds in India provided more than 20% average annual returns for the past 10 to 25 years. Select the better performing fund and keep investing to build a sizable corpus to achieve your retirement goals or any specific financial needs. However, if your starting SIP amount is Rs 3,000 and you contribute this for the next 40 years and increase your contribution by 10% every year, your corpus at the time of retirement would be Rs 10.5 crore. To reach this corpus, you need to get an annual return of 12% on your deposits. If you have not yet started investing, start your SIP today. Visit this YouTube channel for more informative videos like this and subscribe too.